friends, my name is Ganesh Biradar and you're watching Future Technologies Studioz. Welcome back to my channel after a long time. I'm excited to share a new video with you guys. Today, I will be showing how to create facial emotion recognition system using Python and basic machine learning techniques. You can try this project by clicking on the link below in the description and download the code. So let's get started. As you can see now, I am at my desktop. So first you need to have a IDE installed in the system. So first let's install IDE. Open any of your favorite browser. In my case I have opened Chrome. So I would prefer for going PyCharm because it provides an excellent features and an easy application interface. So I basically use PyCharm. You can also go for VS Code, which is officially developed by Microsoft, or you can just install the original Python IDE. For now, I'll show how to install PyCharm. Just type PyCharm download in your browser and click on the first link, which shows JetBrains. Click on this, and this will take you to this page. Basically, here you'll only see PyCharm Professional, and if you see below the download button, it shows free only for 30 days. So just scroll down a bit more and you'll get PyCharm Community Edition. So you have to download this. So the major difference between professional and community edition is that professional is for those who want to do data science and website development, and community is just for doing basic programs. And this PyCharm, both the editions are available for Mac and Windows, and even for ARM devices, Windows ARM devices. So if you just click on download, so you're basically downloading it for normal Windows device. If you are using an ARM powered laptop or a desktop, you have to just click over here and select .exe Windows ARM64 download. Clicking on this will take you to another website and the downloading procedure will start. So for me, the application is already downloaded. I'll just click here and start. So the PyCharm might take a bit long time to open. It depends on your system speed. For me, it has opened early. So here this is our programming part, and there's nothing much to explain as I have you everything is machine learning based, and I have just given a Python base, and the core of our project is over here. The entire project depends on this part. So there is nothing, like I will explain in a simple words. Whenever you turn on the camera or run this program, a square box will be generated, like it will be created in, it will cover your face. So for I have used a white color box, like you have to just type 240 comma 248 comma 255 for white color box. So it's a color code for white in Python, and these are the variables. It creates a box according to the size and the shape of the face. So this is everything, like what emotion it should show. So everything depends on a frame rate. So if the frame rate, according to the frame rate, the emotion will be shown above the box. So even for the font style for emotion display, I have used Hershey Simplex, and it's of 0.9 font size, and I have used the same color code 240 comma 248 comma 255. This is the white color code for PyCharm. In any Python IDE, the color code is same. So to run this program, you have to right click here and click on run emotion recognition, or just you can click on this button, green button. If you want, you can try this program. The link will be there in the description. I will also share the IDE, both the IDEs, which are VS Code and PyCharm. I will paste both the links in the description, so you can download the IDEs and run this program. So see, you can see my face has been detected on the screen. So there is no constant frame rate, there is an irregular frame rate. So I will explain the frame rates type. there are two frame rate types: constant frame rate and irregular frame rate. So I am shaking my face from that time, so machine is not able to recognize my face properly, and so it's not showing proper frame rates. So for your clearance, I'll display an image. So I'll show four images with four different emotion. So this is a sad image. First I'll show an angry image. See, it has correctly detected the angry image, and there is a constant frame rate. So if I just change the image, this is the happy image, and it is constantly showing happy, so there is a constant frame rate. Now I'll change the image. So this is a surprise image, so there is a lag over here, so this is not a constant frame rate, it's a irregular frame rate. Now I'll change the image. This is a sad image. So here also there is no constant frame rate, but still some in middle it is showing the correct emotions. So if you're a Python expert, you can just modify my program, and you can send me through our website. I will surely check that the edited one, and I will show that in the next video. So if you want to just close this program, click on Q. It will be safely closed. Here you can see that process finished with exit code 1. Sometimes if it shows 1, then you might have closed it in a wrong way. To close it safely and in a right way, just click on Q. I have given a program for that. If you want to close the program, just click on Q, and if I click on Q, it got closed. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you all have enjoyed the video. You can try this project for free by downloading the code and the IDE link provided in the description. If you are Python expert and want to create or modify something with my code, you have permissions to do so. Feel free to send the improved version to me. If it's really good, I will showcase it in my next video and give you the full credit. That's all for today's video. Please like and share if you enjoyed it. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and turn on the bell icon to get the notifications for our latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.